while. I've been like on and off sick between the flu and the stomach flu, and then last week I got food poisoning, and then besides that I haven't really had the motivation to record any videos. But today I'm going to be doing the review on the It's a Wig 6-inch deep lace part wig, straight. I've had this wig for about 3 weeks now, so almost a month. And the last video I put up was showing you guys like the wig and how it looks and all the specs of the wig and all of that stuff. This wig can be flat ironed. As I said, I paid 90 bucks Canadian for this wig. I love it. I was really close to throwing it away because I thought it got to like the end of the wig. You know, when you have a synthetic wig and it's basically just the end, you just kind of have to throw it in the trash. I was even gonna like cut the ends and flat iron it because it was just mostly the ends that were really dry, but I decided to use my flat iron. And the flat iron I got was from Winners. If you live in the States, you can also probably get it at Marshall's. It's called the Absolute Heat Pro Ion flat iron, and it goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So on my wig, I only put it up to, I think, 305 or 340, as you guys saw in the clip, and I just went and kind of just flat ironed it. I didn't flat iron too much on the top, but if you did want to flat iron the top of, like, from the roots to the ends, that's no problem. Yeah, I get the part of my wig to lay flat also is that I take the flat iron, I put it way, like, all the way to the top, so I think 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I cleave it closed and I leave it on the part to kind of get it flat. Or you can also take your wig off, don't put it too high, but then you can take the flat iron and kind of squeeze the part down to get it to lay flat. My braid pattern is pretty flat already, but that's another trick you can use for a synthetic wig. Also with this wig, I did wear a nude wig cap underneath because of the parting. It's completely see-through, so if you didn't want to use concealer or you wanted to add more concealer, you could, but the nude wig cap kind of just gives it that part already. So if I were to rate this wig out of a 10, I would give it like a 7.5 to an 8. I love the wig straight out of the package. It was really nice. For a straight wig, it lasted longer than the short one that I had. It was easy to handle. It was a little bit too long for me, to be very honest. And the fibers are not bad. Like, they're not great, but they're not horrible. It did take a while for the wig to get matted and tangled. And before I started wearing it consistently through the week, last week was the first time I wore it, like Monday to Friday to my job, and I work at a school. It was fine. Like, it was easy to handle and everything. It didn't get tangled. But after wearing it out and moving a lot, the ends started to get matted and it would stick up a bit, like the effect that you would get from a synthetic wig. But besides that, I would buy this wig again. I'm pretty sure you can order it on Sam's Beauty or Sista Wigs. I think Sista Wigs sells synthetic wigs. If I do find the link to the wig alternative to the Chlorway site or the Canadian beauty supply stores, I will put them in the description box below. But I really do love this wig. It turned out well after being flat ironed. Will I clip the ends? Probably not, because in the clip I showed one side flat ironed and one side not flat ironed, and the ends completely went straight. They didn't stay like curled up or anything or like matted together. Yeah, it ended up pretty nice. So yeah, I would recommend this wig. I don't know, I really loved it after 3 weeks. It definitely lasted longer than the short straight one that I did. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys like the wig videos that I've been sharing. I'm still trying to figure out what other content I can put on my channel, but so far the whole wig thing has been working for me, and especially because I do wear a lot of wigs, so it's, you know, it's beneficial for me and beneficial for you to give you guys information on affordable synthetic wigs to buy. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. You'll find another life to live.